Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into GCX crypto trading platform. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you are connected to the internet and head over to your preferred web browser. Once you're on your browser, tap on the search bar and type in GCX crypto login and search for it. Now in the search results, find the website link with gcxcrypto.co. Scroll down. Here you can see the gcxcrypto.co link, so tap on it. It will open up the website of GCX Crypto. Now that you are in its website, now in order to log in, here you can see the profile icon at the top left corner, tap on it. Here you can see the option please log in, so tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page of the GCX Crypto. From here you can log into your account. You must have already created your account before. If you haven't, you can easily create a new account by signing up. Here you can see the sign up option. After you create your account, you can use those credentials over here to log in. Here you can see the email field, tap on it. Now enter your registered email address. And right below that, you can see the password field, tap on it. Enter your password. Once you enter your credentials, you can tap on this login button to log into your account. And there you go, you will be now logged into your account. Now you can explore the features of GCX Crypto and do some tradings. So that's it. That's how you can log into GCX Crypto website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.